Excel is powerful, but many users struggle with formulas, charts, and analysis. Copilot makes Excel easier. For years, Excel has been the backbone of business decisions, but its true potential too often stays locked behind complex functions and intimidating data landscapes. Copilot in Excel changes everything. With just a question, you gain an expert partner who can analyze data, spot trends, build formulas, summarize tables, create dynamic charts, and guide smarter decisions, all in plain language. Imagine the sales manager staring at a quarterly table with hundreds of rows. Instead of wrestling with formulas, she asks, "Analyze this sales table and tell me which month had the highest revenue and why." Instantly, Copilot scans the data, highlights the steep climb in March, and explains it's due to a successful product launch, backing insights with glowing data cells and a trend line on a 3D chart. Patterns emerge you might have missed before. A finance user faces a classic problem, calculating profit margins across products. He simply types, "Create a formula to calculate profit margin for each product." Copilot adds the formula in a fresh column, fills in the cells, and offers to explain every step, making advanced calculations suddenly effortless. Department heads want more from their data. Create a chart showing revenue by department and summarize the top 3 performers, comes the request. Copilot responds with an interactive bar chart, animation drawing each bar high above the rest for sales, marketing, and operations, while a summary panel provides concise executive insights. Copilot transforms raw numbers into actionable intelligence. So, how do you excel with Copilot? Start by preparing your data. Organize it in a table. Remove blank rows and ensure labels are clear. Click the Copilot icon. Ask direct specific questions, like requesting custom charts or fresh formulas. Validate the results by checking a few key numbers. Then, let Copilot deliver insights you can present with confidence. Let's raise the stakes with an advanced example. Forecast next quarter sales based on previous months. Instantly, Copilot analyzes historical data, applies prediction models, and displays a futuristic chart with glowing projections, the path ahead illuminated by intelligent forecasting. Collectively, these tools come together in a personalized dashboard, animated KPIs, interactive monthly trends, and department-by-department comparisons shimmer in a cinematic display of business intelligence. Copilot changes Excel from a spreadsheet tool into a decision-making assistant. Wherever you are in your data journey, Copilot empowers you to uncover insights that once seemed out of reach. Comment Excel if you want a full live demo. Like, share, and subscribe to unlock more from Idris Tech. The future of Excel starts here.